Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhumika, studying in first year BE in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's subject is Principle of Programming using C. Today I am going to explain the topic of applications of computer. First of all, what is computer? A computer in simple terms can be defined as an electronic device that is designed to accept data, perform a required mathematical and logical operations at high speed and output the result. Applications of computers. Computers are used in every field of life, such as homes, business, educational institutions, research organizations, the medical field, government offices, environment, etc. Today, we cannot imagine growing our technology without computer. The various fields where the computer is very essential are education, business, agriculture, banking sector, and financial company, medicine, tourism, communication, entertainment. Computers are applicable in business field for salary and payroll calculations, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing employee database, maintenance of stocks, etc. Applications of computers in accounting. Computers are extensively used for accounting purposes to manage daily and financial accounts and inventory management using various accounting software. Some of the popular accounting software available in the market are Tally, Business Accounting Software, etc. With computers, maintaining accounts become very easy and convenient. Users can also retrieve the data based on various patterns or requirements very easily. The third one is applications of computers in banking. Computers also applicable in banking field such as online banking, also called e-banking, reading and sorting checks with the help of MICR, that is magnetic ink character reader. Additionally, ATM used to either deposit or withdraw cash in banks. And the fourth one is applications of computers in healthcare. A computer plays an important role in the medical field also. For example, in the intensive care unit, means ICU, in the hospital, the computer keeps track of everything going inside the patient's body, such as blood pressure and heartbeat, etc. Keeping a record of patients and medicines also become easy through the use of the computer. Keeping a record of patients and medicines also become in diagnostic system. The computer is used to collect data and identify the cause of disease and illness. In lab diagnostic system, all tests can be done and the reports are prepared by the computer. Patient monitoring system. Computers are also used to check the patient's signs for abnormality such as CT scan, ECG, etc. Pharmacy information system. Computers are used to check medicine labels, expiry dates, harmful side effects, etc. Computers are also used in surgery. That is, computers are used in performing surgery. Applications of computers in military, missile control, nuclear weapon control, security and army communication, military operations and planning, and smart weapons are the applications of computers in military. Applications of computers in insurance. Procedure to continue its policies. Starting date of the policies. Next due installment of a policy. Maturity date. Interest due. Survival benefits. Bonus are the applications of computers in insurance. Applications of computers in engineering. Computers are applicable in three major engineering sectors. These are structural engineering, industrial engineering, architectural engineering. First one, structural engineering, requires stress and strain analysis for the design of buildings, ships, budgets, spaceships, airplanes, etc. Second one is industrial engineering. Here computers deal with the design, improvement and implementation of integrated systems of people, materials and equipment. Third one is architectural engineering. Computers help in planning cities and towns, designing apartments and buildings using both 20 and 30 drawings. Applications of computers in government and private offices. Budget planning, sales tax department, income tax department, computation of male or female ratio, computerization of voter list, computerization of PAN card. These are the applications of computers in government and private offices. Application of computer in communication. Chatting, instant messaging, email, FTP, video conferencing, etc. In this way, computers are used in communication. Application of computers in entertainment. Watching movies, watching videos, listening songs, viewing photos, playing online games, etc. Application of computer in agriculture. Computers are used in agriculture also. Like farmers can use computer systems to guide their vehicles and agricultural equipment to perform specific tasks and job like planting and harvesting. Also, farmers can use GPS, that is Global Positioning System, to map factors and areas that might affect crop yields, such as wheat patches and wet spots. Smart agriculture. Thank you for watching. If that video is helpful, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.